So for this sign, a lot of times they're not as specific as this order for April Stewart. So how I do it is you want to make sure that it stays in the Caviar Dreams font up here. See, Caviar Dreams. And see what happens is it changes the font because this hashtag is the cookie and milk font. So it's different than the rest of this font because the hashtag for this font was kind of weird. So what I do is, let's say the hashtag was, I don't know, happily ever after, and you wanted to do all caps, I would go, don't go before this big S, because if you do that and change it to the H, it'll go into the font, the same font as the cookies and milk. So go after this H, or after the S, and do capital H, and then it does it in the same size as the S, and then you can just delete it. And then again, if you go before the T, it'll do the same size as the H. So go after the T and then type in happily, and then you can just delete all of these. Oh, I didn't do capitalize. So happily, delete that T, and you can see that then it's all capitalized, and then all of these first letters are the same size, and then all of the letters after are different. And then another thing, like let's say your hashtag was like this big and ran off the page, you can resize it really simply by just taking it over here and then dragging it over to the space that it is, and then centering it. Or you can take that off, and then you can also, let's say you want to make it bigger, you can do the same thing by dragging it and making it bigger. So I wouldn't necessarily worry about making this the same size, just make sure that it fits underneath the Instagram right here.